Alright, this will be part one of doing the AC change out. This is a 2021 38 MB. Currently has the Dometic Penguin 2 13.5 ACs. No heat pump, just the air conditioning. And I don't have 50 amp service here at my house, so that's why I have the generator running. This will be a before noise level before I do the chill cubes. So this will be the current situation we're dealing with, and hopefully a lot better after we're done. Alright, this is inside. Currently running on generator. Everything is off. I have a iPhone decibel meter. Don't criticize me on the accuracy of this. It's just a baseline of what we have. Looks to be about 47 or 48 with nothing running. Alright, I've just started the front AC. And let's do it with the dump closed. We're at 66, 67 decibels with the dump closed. One AC on. Now we'll open the dump and see what the difference is. Dump open, we're at 71, 72. Okay, I've now started the rear AC. I'm standing pretty much the same spot, right next to the thermostat. (70 to 71 decibels with the dump closed. I want to make note that both of these fans were on high while running. So with the dump open. .75 dBs. Just switched it to low. 73 and 70 on low. Now I'll start them both at the same time. Both kicked on, they're both on low. Both of them have duct closed. This is both switched to high. The duct's closed. How we normally run. I'm sorry, that was with the front one open. So with both closed on high. 71. We normally leave the front one open because the bunk bed blocks 2 of the ducts, so you only have those 2 that you see in use, which is why I chose a non-ducted AC for the front on the Furrion, because you really only have use of those 2 ducts while driving, and we never have that bed down anyway. So there's the before. Looks like about 73 while running, and around 70 or so off. Do a comparison once the Furrions are installed, but that's the starting point.